The altcoins are starting to firing their engines, and the green in the market is not only limited to meme coins at the moment. No, also other altcoins like Vechain are going up in price, and we see green across the market. This might be the start of an altcoin season, and in today's video I want to show you a little bit what is happening very bullishly for altcoins, and especially take a good look at Vechain that is starting to move and see if that's still a good price to get in. So make sure to drop a like on this update and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, notifications on, and let's jump right into the action. So what you're looking at here is Bitcoin dominance. So this is for all altcoins including Vechain, very relevant. And you see that Bitcoin dominance is sitting at all-time highs at the moment, just under it. So everything that you see out of altcoins is just that little wick rejection here from this wedge. And in this wedge, where we are right now on this weekly chart, we are running out of room. So at some point, there is either a make or break for this Bitcoin dominance. And the likelihood is that at some point, Bitcoin dominance is going to lose support in this wedge and fall. And you see from this little millimeter here of falling dominance what is happening to the altcoins. So if that's already putting Vechain to 35% pump and some other altcoins to 50 or 100%, imagine what will happen to the altcoins if we drop all the way down here, all the way from 60% to 40%, and maybe even sub 40%, depending on how this crypto bull run plays out. But before we can even talk about that, we have to lose the support. But just imagine the gains that could be coming out of that market. And at the same time, looking at the total too, so the crypto market without Bitcoin and without any stable coins, we see at the moment here that a massive cup and handle pattern is about to break, and the market outside of Bitcoin about to approach new all-time highs, and that all where Bitcoin dominance is sitting at almost all-time highs as well, meaning that this is just the beginning of a massive move to the upside for all the altcoins. Now this altcoin chart here is including Ethereum, including Solana. If you want to see how it looks, then you can come to Crypto Morning Coffee and you will see how the others chart looks without the top 10 and what's bullish about that. But that would be too much for this video. So what is now going to happen probably is that in the next couple of weeks, this breaks out, maybe retests, and then goes completely nuts. Now, I cannot tell you if that's next week or in 2 weeks or in 3 weeks or the beginning of the next year, but at some point, Bitcoin dominance is going to roll over, and as a consequence, the altcoin market is going to go completely ballistic. And we are going to see the first signs of that in a second. And that's where everyone is starting to become a genius, and everyone was right to be in whatever altcoin, because all altcoins are going to fire as hell. Speaking of which, this one here is very interesting. It's from Coinbase, a couple of days old, but they are launching or they are having a Coinbase 50 index with the ticker Coin50, a new way to track the performance of the crypto economy. So basically a fund or something like an ETF that puts all top 50 coins or a lot of the top 50 coins together. So if we're looking at this video here, we are seeing that there is a lot of known coins in this index, and it's not only Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana, but many other coins as well. So look at this, we see here colorful dots, a market cap weighted index. So really, if your coin, and here we see it, sorry for the sound, and here we see it, right? So we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Doge, DOT, ADA, AVAX, SHIB, Link, Near, LTC, Litecoin. Litecoin, by the way, rebranded as a meme coin. If you haven't seen that, look up the official Litecoin channel. Bitcoin Cash, Polygon, Ecosystem, Fetch AI, ICP, Uniswap, Injective, Aave, Bonk, STX, Render, Atom, LDO, EOS, IMX. So the bottom line here is what do you have here? You have basically an auto buy for undecided people on the top 50 coins. So whatever coin rallies into the top 50 gets a percentage allocation from Coinbase Coin 50 fund. So if we're looking at the page, also we see a weighing based on the market cap, but that means this weighing will shift once Bitcoin dominance falls, right? So we have a 50% allocation here for Bitcoin, 28 or almost 30% Ethereum, 6% Solana, 2.9% XRP, and a little bit of Dogecoin. And the rest of the 45 assets is packed in 10% of this average. So if your coin comes into the top 50, if and when and how, right, it will very likely be integrated in this. And we see also there is a rebalancing frequency that's quarterly. So it needs to stay in the top 50 and then it's in, right? So you can expect that the altcoins that are massively pumping every quarter, they will be integrated in that and then get automatic allocations by the people that are buying this thing. So it's rebalancing. That's usually how an ETF works. So obviously, that's pretty big at the moment, but also if Bitcoin dominance loses, maybe Bitcoin will be balanced less than 50%. But enough with that, let's come to Vechain, right? So there's a lot going on with Vechain, a coin that I want to highlight here. So first of all, Vechain is very known from the last cycles for its explosive moves after long periods of consolidation. So, and Vechain is really one of the coins that have been massively building throughout the bear market. It has been around in the last bull market. It did extremely well, going from less than half a penny to over 25 cents. And right now it's sitting at 3 cents and looking very bullish. We will see in a second in the chart. But look at this. So you can't miss these updates. There is a new roadmap coming that is going to update tokenomics, nodes, and technical updates. 220,000 Better wallets are out. So Better is this basically is the coin that is on this green sustainable energy platform that is launched on Vechain. 13 dApps deployed and incoming phase 2. Then Boston Consulting Group and Better Apps incoming partnerships. So there are a lot of partnerships coming to that project. Major marketing partnerships signed with agencies. We know that Vechain is already partnered with UFC, which is very good, and I think it continues this partnership. New ambassador program is launching soon with creator rewards. Let me know in the comments below if I should apply for Vechain ambassador program, because at the moment I'm doing the videos for free, as all the videos that I'm doing. And there is also the Glow dollar integration announced, SDK bridge, and VUSD swap coming. Interestingly, it is very good, or would be very good, if there is a stable coin on Vechain. Institutional growth is expanding. API utility integration for easy mobile access. Cross-chain collaborations are in development. Enhanced DeFi capabilities coming soon. Building stronger than ever, this Vechain. And that's obviously what we like to see if we are back holders from the last cycle. So let's get to the charts. If you're paying attention to what Vechain is doing, you would see a very bullish move here from Vechain. So we had this falling, somewhat very slight wedge that broke out at some point, retested, and now we are going. And this trajectory here, which is copied and a little bit extended from this here, fits to the T at the moment. And I haven't touched this since a couple of weeks after extending it. And it looks like Vechain wants to perform in a similar way. So my targets remain the same here, and I see other targets. I see targets that go to $1.50 and so on. Here we have a target, a maximum target of this move, if we copy from here and extend a little bit, maximum target of this move of 48 cents, which would make sense to hit a barrier if we even breach the all-time high. But it would make sense to hit a barrier just under 50 cents where people would sell off then. That would be a massive market cap already, but I would say it's definitely possible to hit such a target if the altcoin season blasts off as I expect it to do. I am telling this on Crypto Morning Coffee on my channel. I am going to take some profits, initial profits at about 8 cents, or 8.8 cents is here marked, but about 8 cents. I'm going to take first profits here, right, at this high, as we are going to encounter major resistance. And then the next profit zone will be at around 20 cents. And then we will see. The rest will be a moonbag that is going to go further for Vechain. Now, what would that be? That is to the 20 cent mark, where major profit taking will be happening, would be a rough 7x from the current pump here. And if you get in a retracement, you would get out a little bit more, obviously. Now, this is not financial advice, and obviously there are many coins that at least promise to give you way more than a 7x. But the good thing is Vechain is around since a long time. It's building. It's unlikely that there is going to be a rug, and the indicators are flashing bullish and a run right now. So if we're looking at the TSI down here, we just have a bullish cross on a weekly close at this level. So there's still 1 day and 1 hour left for Vechain to have this close. But if you look very closely, you just see that we're having this curving up here, the bull cross basically happening. So if you see this close in 24 hours, very likely we might be pumping. And that's actually for the entire altcoin market. Also, the MACD cross is coming in here on this weekly chart. And we see very important stuff as well, that the RSI is nowhere near overbought. So there's plenty of room, obviously, for pullback or something like that. There's plenty of room for the RSI to go crazy like in the previous bull market. Anyways, let me know in the comments below what you think about Vechain, what you think about the altcoin market, if you think that Coin 50 from Coinbase is bullish. Have you heard about it before you saw this video? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like and notifications on. Visit us at Crypto Morning Coffee from time to time. We're talking about Vechain. And wherever you are on the world, have yourselves a great morning, evening, day, night, or afternoon. Good things are coming to crypto and also to Vechain. And I see you in the next video. Bye.